Guys, please subscribe, like, share my video, and comment. Comment because I want that feedback. So that I can improve. I want to improve at a rapid rate. I'm still young, so I'm still energetic. So yeah, I want to improve. I want to be competitive like an entrepreneur. So yeah, please comment. Tell me what you think about my videos. How can I improve? How do you feel about my videos? Yeah, the strength, the weakness, the threats, the opportunities. The strength. For example, let's just say you have talented staff. You have talented staff with PhDs, master's degree. Um, doc, yeah, doctors, people with doctorate, man. Your staff, your crew. Your staff. Employees, they have doctorates. That is a talent. I mean, that's a strength for you. For your business. Maybe we have 500 delivery vehicles. That is a strength. You have the biggest factory in the country. That is a strength. So weakness. Maybe we have lack of skills. Maybe some of the employees uh, have lack of skills, or maybe you have untrained staff. Untrained new staff. That's a weakness. The threats. Let's just say let's just say ESCOM has announced that there will be load shedding stage 6. That is a threat, because now you just have to organize a generator, see the solar panel, see, that is going to cost you. So it is a threat. Ukraine war raising prices for petrol, for food prices, petrol. So yeah, this is a threat. Opportunities. Let's just say there's a new driving tractor in the market that can plot 15 hectares of land in 10 minutes. A new vehicle, and it is a tractor, like a big tractor that is very strong, super heavy duty, self-driving, it is autonomous, yeah. So this is an opportunity, because if we buy it, then we will be able to run our business easily, so profitably slow. So because now there's no need to hire employees or hire drivers. There's no need to hire drivers, because the tractor can drive itself, 15 hectares in 10 minutes. Aye. Thank you very much. Bye bye.